Good morning. It's been a while. I hope everyone's doing well. If you have any questions, please email me or just let me know. If you're at home, obviously, just send me a message. We will be conferencing probably tomorrow using the Big Blue Conference. Today, I'm going to let you guys finish up the test if you didn't finish, and then I'm also going to introduce the new unit, which fortunately is still on the continent of Africa. We will have some vocabulary that you need to study and write into your books after you finished your test. But let's take a look at this quick video.
This is Earth. Maybe you've heard of it. I sure hope so, because you live on one of its 7 continents. Guess which continent is the hottest? That's right, you guessed it, Africa. Africa is home to the largest desert in the world, the Sahara. It's massive. Its total area spans over 3 million square miles. It's the size of an entire country. Seriously, it's almost the size of the United States. But Africa isn't all sand and dunes, not by a long shot. A little ways south of the Sahara is the Congo Rainforest. It's the second largest rainforest in the world, and it's full of life. Mammals, birds, amphibians, and close to 10,000 species of plants. Let's take a quick trip to the African Savannah to check out all the wildlife. This tropical grassland covers almost 65% of Africa. And where there's grass, there are herbivores, also known as plant eaters. Zebras, elephants, giraffes, and gazelles all graze off the land in large herds for safety, because these herbivores live alongside predators. The big cats aren't the only carnivores in town. Crocodiles roam near the banks of the shore. Hyenas and wild dogs also roam this continent in search of their next meal. Millions of people come to visit the savannah every year to see these amazing animals in their natural habitat, rain or shine. Because the savannah has only 2 seasons, wet and dry. It's not just wildlife that lives here. There's another animal who shares this beautiful continent. Humans. It's hard to believe that one of the oldest civilizations on Earth began in Africa, in ancient Egypt to be exact, dating back over 5,000 years. Today, there are over 1 billion people living on the continent of Africa, in 56 different countries, speaking over 1,500 languages, living in large cities and small villages. All are residents of the second largest continent on Earth, Africa.